It's videotaping. Let's go. You're caught on that thing. That's it. Keep going. You're all right. You can make it go higher. There you go. Okay. Then you're up. What do you do? What's the first thing you do when you're up there? Hey. What's the first thing you do? No, you're not. What are you doing?
Strap.
Safety strap. That's right. Set your chair. Your seat's crooked. Yep. There you go. Flip it around. There you go. Part of the boys' hunting education. There you go.
Can I do this in Pennsylvania? Please.
We'll see. Okay. Now, get it down. How do you get down? Don't forget, you got that big knot there you got to get around. There you go. Keep going. Should be close. There you go. You're around it. You're all right. It's going to catch. Put your feet, swing your feet back around. There you go. Now, hop around, Dylan. Dylan, turn around. Just hop out.